But I want to touch a little upon the Shanae, the little schoolgirl Shanae. I heard that she did a live and it was so emotional. I don't watch it, but I heard about it. You see, all of these people, the whole of them, what did I call Shanae, from the big iron got one, we live in a darkness. See, our Black Friday come quicker than anybody else one. Let me tell you something, you Miss Curly. I say I want Dr. Love who be here make you get better and who be here again and left you there. Do not call up my name when I don't see you. Bad to bad, you know me not like tea girl. You come on live, you not sell nothing. I just sell one sheet, you name it in a crab leg. I saw you name the food, I saw you pass them out. So you name the food, you miss big old water drop. You come like the big barrel them where people the big you come like the big brown barrel them when them send God Jamaica. I don't know how them can ship you down. You look at them ship you down and then ship you up back like rejection banana. Do not sit down over there in your van where you not have no paper for. I go and get your van tag and report you. Don't sit down over there and call up my name because you did in it. You are one of them who did a plan to take the woman life. You did in it too. Because you did go post up and say call. I get to understand to the little girls to the voice. You did post up on your page. If I not mistake, now have it in my phone here. If I not mistake, now have it right in my phone here. But you are one of them where they post up. And you did talk to a little girl for go back road. You did in the plotting. People might remind you something. You know from when, bless up yourself. You know from when them people you plan for Dana life. Who remember with Silone, with the KFC and the whole bangarang? That's why she did come out, come talk. When the man say, come like, oh, you tell lie, you say, you dirty girl, you think me did forget you, I just time I never have for you. You did put up on your page, but you call people down there. You was the one who started to sit down on your life with your belly. I vacuum the floor. Remember the life there? Where you sit down now, you sit up on the dirty couch. The couch where your name Dry River shit out. Right on the couch, you sit down with your belly, I vacuum the floor. I say, Dana figure slow on the money where Dana still owe. Come here, you careless. And you're hungry because you say Dana know so you love work and bar. Remember, I know people they do fire sell the cake, you know. Then they reach out to Dana never feel your and you know me say you see Dana I would just want double the left hand and thump her straight in my mig line broad back. When people see one Dana, you know, girl, they want Dana against you, know. And you take yourself and go up in a Dana because you bad mind, Dana. Boy, you want award. No, you get up. And upon the woman talk every day, you run out upon the woman and you not run out to go look somewhere. You either not sleep in the house and not pay no rent. You all squatters here, you should have shame yourself. Miss Princess, I go give Dana one award. You run and call the woman, that's why you couldn't stay with the award. You think when you mash up the award, Miss Princess, you mash up, for sure you say you're not nobody. For sure you say you're not nobody, you're not nothing. Because when you did war, you must feel like say you could have did bill, but nobody make your bill. You not have no farmer ambition and you want to talk about you come out and say you're a big deal. And when you're a big deal, your big friend really put you out of people I tap your list pan. Marcia, how come? Well, let me tell you no people. I'm not afraid to tell you no. You know the only wanted list for me with the pan? You see my bill, my rent. Me not depend wanted to see. Well, hey, notice a whole of them Notice the whole of them were a fight against not only Dana, because this is not about Dana, fight against everybody, because everybody will stand up for the right. Because this is the thing, me don't know about no other blogger. Me no defend Dana. Me don't defend Dana. Me stand up for the right. Equal rights and justice. So when them have it in them heads, say people are defend Dana and Dana pay people. No, me know where me stand for, and the right me stand for. So when you come out now, and you know say you don't have nothing you don't have, you're below the mat. You're the worst thing on the internet now. You take your money and buy khaki when I want you. You take your money and pay for Obia and you name too much food that it fuck up your tribe. All of your intestines, look on the gut where you have. If you have one picnic. You're too workless and nasty fit. Me say me shame to be a Jamaican. Me shame. You must ball a night time. No wonder how you have to live a doctor daily and weekly. Because you don't have no ambition. You're gonna fast in a Shanae business. You involved in it too. You involved in the plotting to the whole of you still gonna need a plan for take the woman life because you have a bad mind. You walk and waste money till you take up, but you go married to man at Jamaica and go pay for reception. Place to put reception and see that the money down there. No man no one, they not refund the money, and no man no one you fi married to. Cause down to the homeless them curly don't want to say I do with you. So how you fear come call my name and me parent? Me parent for my tent. Tina chin me can beat me too much. I'm not tell no lie. Me swear upon my life. Me live better than you. We live a big foreign for much years. Yeah? Me live better than you, girl. Me live better than you. When me see your house, then me live better than you. Yeah? The struggle I live better than uno. Katina, my always hear my granny say, anytime you want to, if nobody now say you garden yard and you want water, before you go in, just look outside. Outside talk for inside. Before you ask you drink of water. Before if you know, if you go over the neighbor, go drink the neighbor water where you don't know. None of you can talk to me. None of you can chat to me out here. You, Tina Chin and Curly, you can't, you're too enough. Dana never call your name thinking Marcia. You just want to be seen by Dana. And Dana don't see you. Dana have no time for you. If it's one blood clot thing, let me tell you something. Dana look about her things very blood clot clean. If it's one thing with her, Curly, a chink upon your bed. You want me gonna give you a highlight. Me gonna give you a free highlight. Cause I forget to me have the chink something them in my phone. Cause you come out, no one come talk about say nobody no fi buy Dana cake. Curly, nobody no fi buy sheet for you. Because I'm tell you something, Curly. You are your past devil. You're evil. So you say if you even have a phone conversation or do a business transaction with you, if you do business with you, transaction with you, it's like a curse. Because we know where the money I go. Go buy Kangaroo. You have to buy Kangaroo. Let me tell you now, since Dana never called no name, me I tell you, you're workless. You can't talk to me when you not pay your rent. People, only the hear me talk already. Tina Chin walk and take everybody money for cake and she don't know who. And she walk and look out. On a seat now, I only buy fields so she don't know Lady V. Well, I only live overseas and Lady V daughter live overseas. She must meet the daughter. Tina is not Ione by field money. Me tell you already. The lady will reach out to Lady V. I'll know the lady will wait for her money. And no worry, the lady go and fix your nastiness. You hear? Because your business not register, Better Business Bureau can't do too much. But no worry. Then go and lock up your backside for scamming. You soon you're not about no report done for scamming. Hold on, something in the making for you. And remember, please me I beg you to share the live here. England people, come here talk when me know that me to say when she come with her liar. England people, be careful how na buy cake from Tina Chin. People wanna buy cake from Tina Chin. Tina Chin go on Facebook and see who uno follow go dig uno up. And especially England people, she feel to say Chris has sent people come buy her cake and she spit. She has spitting at the cake. I would tell her no what no me no know. Cause I know me definitely me serious about people brand. Tina a spitting a cake and a send go give England people. Remember the same Tina did say she should have spitting at the cake and give Matlock. England people be very careful at Tina. Cause Tina not doing no business at all. So be very, very careful of that look nasty stinking girl. We over there take set and not. Don't worry. You don't worry. You don't worry. You think you can take set pan Lady V? Lady V don't even see you. What make you only Lady V have strength for our? Me are the first one to come out past social media, catch you, me never afraid of you. Me are the first one come out. The people them used to send receipt to the she lady, and the she lady used to come out nicely. Me are the first one to come out here even call me Slotty and name, cause me not tell lie. Say the people them when you take them money and me make me Slotty and make back the people them cake. And me say one of them was the wickedest one. The lady what me even give you a clue so you not come out. The woman will tell you, me even tell you say the woman tell you say to give the money to charity. So you must know who. So oh you not run up in a oh you know our cause you know a blood clot too. You know what true our Lady V have strength for cause Lady V have brand come. Cause you make you open and telling us that Tina Chin a thief. Tina Chin a scammer. Tina Chin not gonna knock cake. People another thing again. See, I'm go back with the woman. When Miss Lottie and the woman pick me where for baptize, then the woman I got through one divorcing of people. You know, said Tina Chin. Don't give the woman cake. It was a Sunday. The woman called me. I tremble. When she used to see the woman on her platform, let me give you more clue, drunk crow. She tell the woman that she go ship out cake. She call the woman name and say she go ship out cake. When the woman can't get her cake, the woman say she not in an argument. Miss Lottie and have to make the woman cake. Fast and send the woman cake have to put in my car. The woman pick the sit now come up. And the woman, you know, when you go through divorce, you go through custody back for the man. Me say the woman call me nervous. Bitch, I me do that for you. I me do that for you. You hear me tell you? So when the part with your enemy, pay back for you. When the part with your enemy, that's why the woman tell you to take the blood clot money and run out, Miss Bitch. Miss Lottie and make back the woman cake. So I made it come out and say your enemy pay money for you. Yeah. Because Miss Lothian met back the woman cake. Met back the woman cake. So I saw the enemy come out. Let me make sure I tell you now. Come on for Lady V. And Miss Lothian have to met back the woman cake for you, and the woman tell you to give the money to charity. And you don't give it your thief the woman money. And that me say. Yeah. That me say. And that me I say. So run out now.